Hi, let's talk about Page Object Model. Right-click Tests. I'll create new file. I'm gonna call it lawn.spec.js. And I'm going to implement Playwright Code Gen to record a simple test. The simple test with limited number of web elements. First of all, I'm going to clear. Second, I'm going to input amount, then loan term, then interest rate. Now I'm going to click on Calculate button. After which I maximized my Playwright inspector. I visually inspect the code. It looks good. I click Copy. Right now I'm back to my visual code. I paste the code recorded and save the file. First thing first, I need to rerun it. Test lawn.spec.js. I need to be sure that the code recorded is correct. One passed. Let me see the report. Looks okay to me. This point, under Playwright, my project, I want to create new folder. I'm gonna call it Pages. It's gonna contain the page elements. Not under test, or right under the project. In Pages, I create new file. I'm gonna call it Page Object Model pom.js. Simple pom.js. Right now, here, I'm gonna create class lawn pom. Class lawn pom. I'm gonna, in this pom.js file, I'm creating class lawn pom. Right now, I need to create a constructor. Constructor has arguments. Which type of arguments? This one, page. At this point, I start creating this class constructor variables. This period, right now I need to create. First one was button calculate. btn, sorry, clear. btn clear. And before I proceed any further, I need to separate my functionality. btn clear right here. Copy. Then this. First field was loan amount. Loan amount takes from here. Copy paste. Then this loan term. This one loan term. Then this class means loan interest. Loan interest, we need to come here and copy. And then this, last one was btn button calculate. And it's going to take, interest rate. Before I go there, interest rate, loan interest. This is correct. Then btn calculate. btn calculate, next one. Okay, we created constructor. Now I need to create methods for loan amount, loan term, and loan interest. I think, let's say, input amount. Input amount will have parameter amount. So what do I have to do? I have to do two operations, click and fill. Okay, so first of all, this loan amount, click. Then this loan amount, fill, but fill not fixed test, fill whatever will be in this parameter. Now, copy this method. Next will be input term. Term obviously will be term. Term parameter, term parameter. First we need to click, then fill whatever will be supplied. However, this loan term and this class loan term. Now copy this once again. Input rate. Rate. Obviously the parameter will be rate. Here rate. But this loan interest. I really should better. Loan rate probably. Loan rate. Sounds better. Loan amount, loan term, loan rate. Loan rate. Loan rate. And this. Loan rate. Very good. Now, we created our class. We created constructor for the class. We created three methods to populate the fields. First of all, click on each. And secondly, fill up the amount. Amount, term, and rate. Now, the class itself is finished. However, we need to export it. Whatever we created this is a module. So, I copy the class name. After class, I type module exports. Exports what? We export this class, semicolon. That's it. We export. This is ready for the export. File, Save. Now I return to our Leanr.js class. First of all, I need to import it. For this I type require what? I need to supply a path, single quotes, and then I need to open my project path, double period or double dots, forward. You see here pages. I have pages folder. Pages folder, forward. You see here POM. This is POM. Enter. All we need to assign to some kind of variable. That's it. We imported it. From here, we prepared all this class for the export. Here, we imported it now. Right here, I'm gonna go with default when I call it. I need to create new variable, constant simple POM, page object model, new class object, and what do we say? What do we send here in constructor? We send page. Page. Now we are ready to work. Same await here. Await POM. What do we call btn? Btn we have two. Sorry. POM our local variable. btn which one? Clear. And we're gonna click it. Click. Okay, this one is done. Then await POM, this POM. Input amount first. We need to supply a parameter. We supply next one. Then await POM. Input term. We supply 20. Wait for POM, stands for little. Page object model and rate. Let's apply 4.5. Finally, POM btn calculate, click. That's it. This is separated page object model. Let us run it first. I'll paste the command. Enter. One passed. Let us see the report. As you can see, all good. First, we applied clear button. Second, we locator, we click the amount, then we fill the amount. Click term, fill term. Click interest, fill interest, then click calculate button. This is how page object model is created. First of all, you record it. Secondly, you rerun it. Thirdly, you create new folder where you locate your page objects. Here it is. In page object, you create a class, you create a constructor where you copy paste whatever you recorded element locators. Don't forget that this belongs to class, to this constructor. Then you create functions or methods like input amount. First you need to click, then to fill amount parameter, same with terms parameter and with rates parameters. Do not forget that after class, you need to, this module you created, you need to export it. And exports, this module is ready for exports. And what's ready for exports? This class, Leanr POM. Then you call it, you require, you've seen, you apply for projects as for this pages folder for the POM.js file here we created, you assign it to constant, to same Leanr POM, let's say, okay, and then you start apply it. You create new instance. Do not forget that page is a parameter itself because the test is page. The test is based on page. Okay, so you create it. And using this, you separated totally the functionality of the test. This is it once again. Quick review. This is it. The page object model creation was a success. See you in the next lectures.